guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's episode I am so nervous to try out something with you all today. So I usually try and test my recipes before I showcase it here to you guys, but today is going to be a little different because today I have decided to try some yummy crunchy, I hope it will turn out to be, but some yummy crunchy chocolate meringue cookies, and I want to try this with you guys. So I am super nervous then excited here because it could be either a win-win or a total fail situation, but whatever it may be, I want to try this out with you guys. So let's just get started right away. To begin with, into a bowl we are going to crack open 2 eggs and remove only the egg whites from this, leaving the yolk aside. We will now whip up these egg whites till they form stiff peaks, and once they are halfway through we will be adding in sugar little by little, and I will explain as we follow. Alright, so my egg whites look perfect. Now see, this is how you want it. The peak should not fall off, neither should the egg whites from the bowl. It should just remain there. And now into this we are gonna add in the next few ingredients. Now into this bowl of whipped eggs goes in around 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and a few chocolate chips. I'm using milk chocolate chips. You can also use semi-sweet. We will give them all one final mix. And now our meringue cookies are halfway ready. We just have to place them into a piping bag and directly onto a baking tray. Meanwhile, my oven is getting preheated at 180 degrees. So I'm just giving it one final mix before I place it into my piping bag. Make sure to scrape through all the yummy chocolate from the side. Okay, now here I've taken a glass and a piping bag into this. I do not have a nozzle, but that's all. You can just cut the tip of the piping bag once you fill in this glass with the mix. Now here I'm just going to place in the mix into this piping bag. Alright guys, so my cookies are in the oven, and now these will bake for 50 to 55 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. That's when you can get them really crispy and crunchy. So yeah, while these babies get baked in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up a bit, and I will be back when they are ready. And my cookies, chocolate meringue cookies, are now ready. They were in the oven for 55 minutes. I let them cool completely. You are gonna now hear how crunchy they are. Do you hear how crunchy they've come out to be? Now this is a big win-win situation for me. I love cookies when they're super biteable and crunchy like this. So for me, this is the first time and it was a big hit. It is super easy to make, and I'm sure you guys will agree with me in this, right? So yeah, go ahead. It's a Christmas season coming up. Go ahead, make these, bring in your kids, bake together, cook together, have lots of fun, and enjoy the season. So I will be back with another episode as soon as I can. Till then, take care of yourself and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also give me a big thumbs up if you love this recipe. Bye.